Welcome back to Marketing, a video series where we discuss and create design within the context of marketing and sales. Here's a problem that I'm trying to solve. For the purpose of showing you web design, mobile app design, branding, and marketing design workflows, I actually need a brand or something to work with. That's why I created Prio, which is a brand that we're building from scratch in the branding series and which is also representing a fake company, a fake startup. But now, as these projects grow more sophisticated, it became clear that we need to clarify what does this company actually do, right? This fake company. And for that, we need to think about product marketing. And product marketing is about, you guessed it, how to market the product. In our case, it's going to be an app. We know that we made a rough outline that this is going to be some kind of productivity, project management, and task management app. But what do they do exactly? What does our fake company do exactly? That's something that we need to figure out before we move on to more sophisticated things like how do we visualize features, what to actually put on our website, how to build the best, user experience for such a website, and so on. So in this video, I would like to go over a couple questions, a couple of things that, these practical things that we need to solve before we actually move on to creating more assets for this brand. And usually if you work in, like for a client, they usually already have an existing company that you just need to build this marketing design, this web design for, like tailored to that specific company and their activities. But in our instance, we actually need to create this substance. We need to put into specific words what we are actually building design for. Product marketing is about making sure the right people clearly understand why a product is valuable, which basically means communicating our features or our value as a product, which is going to be a SaaS, software as a service. And we are starting completely from scratch, so we can just fabricate all this stuff. So we're starting with a completely blank canvas, and I'm going to be answering these 5 questions. So who is this for? I think our app is for small teams. Small teams. What problem does it solve? I would say the problem we're solving is that Prio is going to make it easy for small teams to organize and finish projects, right? We don't have to do anything groundbreaking here. We're just trying to make this more specific, right? Productivity, project management, task management. How can we be more specific about that? And not only easy, but also pleasant or satisfying. Let's say using stellar user experience, okay? Maybe some gamification. We're basically doing the same thing a lot of other apps are doing, but the goal of this fake company is to make it more pleasant, easier to use, right? Similar, actually, to how Figma made it more satisfying and more pleasant to design websites. When Figma entered the market, there were plenty other ways to actually design and work with visual stuff focused around UI, but Figma just came in and made it better, okay? So that's kind of what we're trying to do here. Why is this better or different? Well, let's say better UX, more playful, or just simple. Since we're targeting small teams, it could be just simpler, okay? Simpler than Jira, for example. How should this be explained? I think that we should be using web, video, and print assets to show results we can deliver, features that we have, and also why we're unique, why we're different. And I just realized that this is like more rather number 5 than 4. Okay, so this is probably just number 5 and 4 kind of together, because how should this be explained? I mean, it should be explained by, again, using web, video, or print. And I think we should just explain this visually, right? We just show our audience. We show them the screenshots, results, and testimonials. This is no different from any other startup, essentially. And so what our startup actually does, what are going to be the features? I'm thinking that we should do something similar to Trello, if you're familiar, similar to Trello, in that we're gonna have these cards. We're gonna have these cards that you can assign, and these cards will be arranged in a Kanban board, which is essentially this. You're gonna have like one task, another task, or like a card basically, right? It's gonna be a card. And then you're going to move them from one column to the next based on what stage they're in. That could be one feature. Then we could also get a Gantt chart for like project managers. So let's say that project managers would see this timeline with dependencies, and they would be able to click through that and so on. So Gantt chart, you can share and assign tickets, or cards within that team, right? Remember, we're targeting small teams. And I'm also thinking that, one ticket, one card could contain more cards within that, right? You could basically group those tasks. So this is what we're going to be communicating. We're a project management app that has a great user experience and that people actually like to use. That means look at our UI, right? Here's the UI. Look at how simple, beautiful, and intuitive it is. Also, look at the results. So here would be like testimonials, some numbers, and this means that, look at our UI. We could have like these screenshots that could show, these stylized screenshots that would be like, that would look great, and they would basically show how you can collaborate and so on, all these beautiful things. Also, at the beginning of this series, at the beginning of the marketing series, I was talking about how your design needs to sell. And what all of this means, all of this that we're going over in this video, this area is what we're selling, right? So this is like what we're selling. And this area over here is how we're selling it using design. So this whole thing is basically what is Prio and how do we sell it using design? Okay. And so I was also thinking that it would be possible to then track time on tickets, on tasks, right? Or leave comments, add attachments, right? Attachments. It would also probably be important to mention that Prio would be a SaaS, right? Software as a service. It would be subscription based, and it would be an app that runs on the web with a desktop app as well and a mobile one as well, right? Mobile app. So with all of this, we now know a lot of valuable things. What is the company doing and what we're communicating? What we are communicating. We also know what our website plus ads plus content even maybe needs to show, right? We know what it needs to show. We also know who this is for. And we also know what makes us unique. And since we actually have now something of substance, it's going to be simpler to think about what to put on posters and on ads and in videos, in animations and so on. Now imagine that you are a designer, a multidisciplinary designer hired to work for this company. You need this type of information, right? You need to know what you're selling, how you need to sell it, and how to think about the overall vision you have for this as a designer. And now I can go ahead and create posters, create ads, create videos and animations. This is gonna resemble the actual real world and all the design work that is needed for marketing and building a product like this. now we have created the substance for our designs. All right. And as usual, if you need personalized help, you can now book a one-to-one live coaching and consulting session with me by using the link in the description. 100% personalized just for you. Go and check out the playlist linked in the description. Leave a like if you found this video useful, and I will see you guys in the next one.